Hi friends, let's have a look end-to-end testing. So in end-to-end testing is a type of testing that involves testing a system or application from start to finish. So here the testing the overall functionalities of the system, including the data integration among all the modules. And let's say we have example like we start from the login, then we add the customer, we edit the customer, we delete the customer, okay, and we do some add to cart functionality, then payment process, then we do we are able to search the that ordered product, and finally we do log out. So this is the complete end-to-end testing flow. Thank you.